Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna talk about how to create a date table in SQL Server. So please try to watch all my previous videos so that you will get more understanding on different technologies like SQL Server development, performance tuning, and Power BI and DAX, as well as SSIS. Now we'll go to the SQL Server main and studio. There you can understand today's video demo. So for timing, already I have prepared the script, so I'll try to explain each and every step what I've written here. So usually, even I have explained same kind of how to create date table in the DAX like Power BI. So there we have used the different functions and different ways we can create. Same thing I'm trying to replicate into the SQL Server. So try to watch it if it is possible. Okay, so here I'm creating the one demo data table. So here we can see that one date key and date, year, so month name short, and quarter, weekday name, so how many days in month, so day of year, week of month, and week of year, so day count is weekend, month, year. So I have included so many columns like, okay, what are the columns we have seen in the same in the DAX, the same I'm trying to replicate in the SQL Server also. Okay, first I will try to execute this table. So just click on execute. So command complete successfully. So I'll try to fire a select statement. Select star from demo data. So just click on execute. So now we can see that, so these number of columns I have created in the table. Okay, now for inserting data into this table I have written the script, so I will try to see that one by one. So I have written the truncate table name. Here have declared two variables, one is start date and another one is end date. So here we can specify what are the date want from this date to this date. We can insert the data, we can specify it here, or from, so we can create the script, enter into this procedure, and from the parameters also we can pass dynamically. So what are the way we can do it? So we can do that. So after that I have written the while statement. If the start date less than or equal to end date, then I'm inserting data into the demo table by using different functions like. So here, while start date less than or equal to end date, begin insert into demo data. So I have included all the columns. What are the columns I have specified in the table? I'm just including all the columns here. So I'm writing the select statement here. So for each column I have written the some expression. For example, for the date key, so here I have specified year into start date. So what are the variables I have declared for the start date, end date? So same thing I'm using here is, so for the date, start date. For the year column I'm just extracting year from the start date. For year underscore one means, so usually some people they can put it like a CV, calendar year 2001 to the calendar year 2001. I mean that they will add some prefix to the year. So that's what I'm doing here is, so I'm just doing some prefix CY and finally concatenating with that. Okay, and for the month column, so month, for the month name column, so date name function I am writing. For the short name month also I'm just using the left function. I'm trying to extract only 3 letters from the full month. So for the quarter also same date part. For the quarter underscore 1 means, so I'm just concatenating again, like instead of displaying 1 2 3 4, I'm just adding quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, so that easily you can understand whether it is that number is a month number or quarter number or a week number. So for differentiating, for understanding easily. And also weekday, so by using date part and weekday name short, so days in month, and a day for year, and a week of month, so week of month 1. So here also I'm just concatenating week 1, week 2, week 3, whatever it is. so and also week of year. So and so is weekend, whether it is weekend or month year or month year underscore one. So I'm just keeping as a null, because once the data is loaded, I'm doing some update here is. So for the is weekend, so what I'm doing here is update demo data, I mean table name, set is weekend case when a weekend name is Sunday Saturday. So when the weekend name falls under these two, so write is a weekend, otherwise weekday. Okay, so whether the weekday name is Sunday Saturday means, so execute this one, otherwise weekday. And also for the month year, so month year in the sense like 2001 01 2001 02 like that. So for the month year also, so year into 100 plus month number. Okay, so for the month year also, month year name also same thing I'm doing here as. Okay, so first we'll try to execute the script so that we can understand so how the data is getting inserted, so what are the values are displaying into all the columns, so we can easily understand. Okay, so for timing I'm trying to execute one more time. So now you can see that there is no data available here. Now I am trying to run entire script at once so that we can see. Execute. So command complete successfully. Now I'll try to run one more time. Select star from demo data. So just click on execute. Now you can see that date key. So date key, the format will be something like this. For the date I'm just adding hyphens. So for the year column, so I'll try to make it zoom. So for the year column I'm just extracting. For the year underscore one I'm just concatenating cy as a prefix to the year. Okay, so month is month number, so whether it's 1 2 3 4 whatever it is. Okay, like for the month name, so I'm just including a full month name, January, February, March and May, something like that. So when it comes to month name short means, so I'm just extracting only 3 characters. Okay, by using the left function. So for the quarter one, whether it is 1 2 3 4 and so, and also for the quarter underscore one means I'm just adding q as a prefix to this number. So for the weekday, so what is the weekday name, and also I'm just extracting 3 letters. So days in month means how many days are there, so within the month, whether it is 31st or 30 days or 28 days, whatever it is. So I'm just extracting days in month and day of year. So actually what it is returning, it is returning whether it is 365 days or 366 days. Okay, week of month means, so week of month, so which week it is, I'm just adding so w as a prefix to that, and a week of year, so how many weeks for the year, so whether it is 52 or 53 and all. Okay, and also I'm just adding prefix as a week, and day count, so day count nothing but how many rows are there. For example, if you notice here 1826, okay, 1826 rows, same number is it's displaying. So for getting this value I have just added a, so I have just added as a, so identity only. Okay, so if you notice here, so is weekend, month year and month year underscore one, so all are null only, because so far I did not run any update statement here is. Okay, I just ran the script only. Now I will try to update one by one. Just click on update. So command complete successfully. Try to execute it. So command complete successfully. Try to execute it. So command complete successfully. Now I'll try to execute one more time. Now you can see that, so whether it is weekend or weekday, so that easily we can understand, so which weekday sales, weekend sales, and a month year like that, and a month year. So different way we can store the data into these columns. Okay, so So same thing we can achieve by using DAX in the Power BI. So but I want to display in the SQL Server also, so that easily understand. So possible ways, even you can execute a number of times, because every time I'm trying to truncate the data. For example, if I try to execute one more time, we'll see what will happen. Just click on execute. See, okay. So I think I need to execute one more time. So update, update, update. Okay, I'll try to run one more time. Now you can see 1826 rows, same rows only, there is no difference at all. Okay, like this we can create a date table in the SQL Server also. So that's all for today's video. I hope you like this video. If you have any questions or queries, you can send me an email or drop your comments in the comment section, so that I'll try to reply as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you. See you in the next video.